Hello, my name is Jasaret Ümit. I'm a Uyghur Norwegian, currently working for Norwegian Tax Administration. Uyghurs had lived in freedom and prosperities in thousands of years in East Turkestan. Now the CCP is committing genocide of them. My father is sick, very sick. I'm not even allowed to make a phone call to express my last blessing to him. Because CCP says we have no human rights. And it's not possible to communicate with the Chinese occupiers because they don't speak human language. And I am deeply convinced that to regain our independence is the only way for me to live like a human being. So please support us and help us. Thank you.